What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can automatically generate YouTube video thumbnails using vidIQ. Also, if you don't have a vidIQ account already, I will leave a sign up link in the description below. So let's get started. Once you open up your vidIQ account, you will be greeted with this dashboard right here. So from here, simply go to Generate, right here. Once you're on Generate, in this box right here, you need to type in a general topic of your video. So let's say that I want to make a video about wonders of nature. So I will just type in natural wonders, let's say, and press enter. So after just a few moments, vidIQ will generate your title, descriptions, etc. etc. But in this case, we only want the thumbnails. So I will just scroll down a bit until I reach this thumbnail section right here. So here are your 3 auto-generated thumbnails. You can check them out by clicking on them, and you can download them or edit them right here. But let's say that I'm not really satisfied with these 3 choices. I will just go back up and click Regenerate. So after the topic has been regenerated, I will just scroll down back again and check out my new thumbnails. So let's say that I like this one, I will just again click on it and download it right here. So that's how you can automatically generate YouTube thumbnails using vidIQ. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, don't forget to check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.